Okay, we are back in Kyoto station. I think the last time we actually did a real vlog outside of my place, we were in this exact spot. You can face the camera at us now, and right now we're just using our iPhone because we are wanting to test it out, but I know the audio isn't very good. I should actually probably use an external audio source for that. All right, now I have my external audio source and we can see that there's a little Halloween type of thing. That's because today is Halloween in Kyoto or Japan in general. And you probably can't tell from here, but nobody's dressed up just because it's not really a thing in Kyoto. I think it's not really a thing in Japan in general, but as you can somewhat witness, it's definitely not a thing in Kyoto. I mean, at least they have nice lights. Anyways, aside from that, we are back in Kyoto and basically just doing a quick vlog. One of the things that we have realized after getting back to America and reviewing my time here is that some of my favorite moments and memories, I really enjoyed recording it basically. And so I'm trying to do that more. This time I have my iPhone around with me, so I did not bring my actual cameras. The Sony ZV-E1 is the one I brought last time. Don't have it with me. Don't have my Sony a7 IV either. And this is us just practicing with our iPhone because I think it'll be interesting. And one of the challenges I have for myself is basically to do more of these things in public, I guess. Like right now, there are definitely some people that I can see, but they're probably not paying attention to me, but overall, it's pretty not too crowded right now here. But I have this fear or shyness of recording myself in general, like in public. I think when it's in a private space, I don't mind it, but when I'm outdoors, I definitely mind it, and I feel like this shyness or awareness, that self-conscious feeling, I guess. So I'm trying to get over that. That's one thing that I am challenging myself to do, is to get over that sort of filming myself in a public setting. Yeah, so that is basically a challenge I'm gonna be trying to get over, because I think I somewhat regret not recording more of my experiences while I was in Japan, sort of the active experiences with my friends especially, because I think they would have been really fun videos. But overall, I still loved my experience back then. This time I'm only visiting for a little bit. It's just to visit my girlfriend for the most part. We're gonna go on some travel trips and everything like that. I'll phase it this way for a little bit, and I think it'll be fun. We're gonna go to some cool places, and I'll just be filming the experience basically. I'm not entirely sure, how these are gonna go, because I do want to practice vlogging, but I generally just talk about stuff that I do, and I'm not used to talking about or showcasing a travel type vlog or anything like that. But I'll try, because I am curious to what it's like and whether or not I can do it in a fun way. Whether or not it's fun, I guess. That's one thing that I'm trying to explore more, is just different things to find out whether or not I like it. And I think along the way, it'll be good for me to explore and try new things. But as usual, I really enjoy this scenery up here, and it's not as crowded